A Michigan custody agreement is a parenting plan designed for families with children whose parents are no longer in a relationship or cohabiting. It establishes rules regarding legal custody, physical custody, and parenting time. In this video, we'll cover 4 terms to include in the parenting plan, 5 steps to file for custody in Michigan, and cases involving sexual violence. We're eForms, the world's largest online database of fillable legal forms. To create your custody agreement, click the link at the end of this video. First, let's review what terms must be included in a Michigan custody agreement. Legal custody. Legal custody encompasses the decision-making rights and responsibilities of the parents or guardians to a minor child. Sole custody goes to one parent and joint custody is shared by both. Grandparenting time. Grandparents can petition for legal required time with a biological grandchild unless both parents are opposed. Parenting time. When one parent has sole custody, the other can be lawfully granted time with the child. The court can split that time 50-50 or in any other arrangement deemed in the child's best interest by the court. Physical custody. Physical custody establishes a child's living arrangements, including whether they live with one parent full-time or split their time between both parents' homes. Next, let's walk through the step-by-step instructions to file for custody in Michigan. All of the forms referenced in this section can be downloaded from the eForms page listed in the description. Step 1, begin divorce, separation, or paternity proceedings. Married parents need to formally file for divorce or legal separation to initiate a custody proceeding. Unmarried parents must establish paternity by filing the affidavit of parentage with the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services. Step 2, complete required forms. Complete all of the following required forms. They are available for download at the link below. An application for IVD child support service, only divorce and legal separation cases. A complaint, a friend of the court questionnaire, a Uniform Child Custody Jurisdiction Enforcement Act affidavit, a verified statement, and a summons. Step 3, file forms with the local circuit court. File the forms with the family division of the local circuit court in the child's custodial county of residence. Step 4, serve the defending parent. Serve the court-certified documents on the defending parent within 91 days of filing. There are 2 ways to serve the defending parent. Hire the county sheriff or a private process server to serve the defendant in person. The server must be at least 18 years old, or serve the defendant via certified mail. The defendant has 21 days to respond to an in-person service and 28 days to respond to a mailed service. The court will enter a default judgment without input if they miss their deadline. Step 5, attend hearings. Both parents must attend all hearings until the court settles a final custody agreement. Note that Michigan enforces 2 serious custody laws regarding cases that involve sexual violence. When a child is conceived in the act of sexual violence or is a victim of sexual violence at the hands of one of their parents, the offending parent forfeits their rights to parental custody and parenting time. This applies to offenses in Michigan, offenses that occurred in other states, charges issued by the federal government, and crimes uncovered during an official fact-finding hearing. Offending parents are still subject to financial aid support orders. When a parent victimizes their child, they forfeit the same rights for other children in the marriage. Start your own Michigan custody agreement by clicking the link below. If you want more details about the custody process in Michigan, visit eForms.com, where we break down complexities into simple steps to help you confidently manage your legal matters.